Hello to all my cool cats and kittens. It's your girl Spirit, and today I'm showing you how I made this here hairstyle. Oh yes, the loc bang and the tight bun are looking right, and I want to share it with all my friends. So let's stay tuned for another Spirit Loves Locks tutorial. Woo! Okay, you guys, it's been a while since I've done a hair video, so let me just show you how my hair has been doing. It's getting long, it feels healthy and thick. I've been styling it less because of COVID-19. We've been in the house. Let's get into the look. When it comes to putting my hair in a new style, I find it super important that I massage the scalp and the roots, as well as just loosen the locks up from however they had been previously. Today, I'll be using the Spirit Loves Locks Travel Size Leave-In Conditioner to refresh my hair. And this refresher dampens the roots and dampens the locks, which makes them softer and easier to form in the next style. So if you start doing your hair on dry hair, you cause friction and that causes breakage. So I highly recommend that you spray your hair with some type of moisture and hydration before going into new styles. Now that my hair feels soft and moisturized, I'm ready to separate the bang away from the rest of the hair. So what you want to do is look at your entire forehead and cover the main areas, maybe from eyebrow to eyebrow. And you want to pull 1 to 3 rows of locks towards the front. That's going to form the bang, and 3 rows is big and thick, but not too much. But wait, can we take a moment to look at how long my hair has grown? Whoa! The next step after separating the bang is pulling the top half of the hair up into a ponytail. And today I'm going to do something a little different. I've never used wrap and roll to help set a ponytail for me, but today's the day. I'm going to try it out and see if that helps my hair hold rather than using my usual lock conditioner or gel that I would use. I like this product a lot when I do retwist on my hair. I call them soft retwist because it doesn't have a strong hold, but it does have enough of something to last. So I figured this might be healthier than using a more wax-based product. So I'm going to take 1 pump and then split that between the 2 sides of the hair. And that is what I'm going to use to pull it into a tight pony for now. And if I decide to change my hair later, I will. Okay, so now that the hair is separated and the ponytail is setting, I'm now going to focus on the bang. Now each lock becomes its own lock knot, and you can do this by taking 1 lock in your hand, spray that thing, get her wet, get the whole thing juicy, okay? And now we're going to separate each lock. And the key is to bend the lock at the point where you want it to fall on your face. So I like to think right above the eyebrows is a good mark. Then you're going to twist the lock upwards and twist the lock back downwards while pulling through a loop created by your finger. Let me see if I can zoom in and show you. Okay, so I'm going to take this lock and fold it at the place that I want it to fall, right at that eyebrow point. And then I have created a loop with my finger, and I'm going to just wrap the lock around itself upwards. Then I'm going to wrap the lock around itself downwards, okay? And when you get to the end, you stick the end through the loop that your finger's in, just like that. Let's do this one more time together. We're going to bend the lock at the place we want it to fall, wrap it around the finger, and then wrap it upwards around itself, then wrap it downwards around itself and pull the end through the loop. I love this style because your hair does not have to be freshly retwisted. In fact, having roots at the bang allows the bang to fall in a place that makes it look more full. So now I'm going to take care of the rest on my own and then come back to you when I'm done. Voila. And that is how you do the bang. I love it. It's so cute and so easy. And now I'm gonna decide if I want the high ponytail or if I want half up, half down. We going high, baby. Adding the bottom half of my hair to the ponytail is pretty easy. I just spray it with a little bit of the Spirit Loves Locks leave-in conditioner. That makes it damp enough to just pull it right up into the ponytail. I'm not going to put any Jane Carter product on this part of my hair. I'm just going to pull it up and let that be. Now that the ponytail is set, it's time for me to create the bun by twisting all of my locks in one direction at the top of the ponytail. As I twist, I make sure to tuck them in, and I'm going to secure it with a second ponytail holder that is a little bit tighter than the first one that I used. Now just tucking my locks in, trying to make the bun as clean as possible. You do need to have medium length locks to be able to make this happen. But there we go, very cute. I see a couple of ends I can tuck in, so I'm gonna do that. But this is pretty much the entire look. Now I'm gonna just tie this look down for about 30 to 45 minutes in order to help set the ponytail tight and put the bang in a place that I want it to be. That's why it was important for me to spread them out evenly across my forehead, so that way when I take the scarf off, it'll already be looking exactly how I want it to. Be sure to look out for the upcoming videos on the scarves that I use with my locks and why, because I have a variety and it's important for you to be able to preserve the styles that you use. See you soon. I'm back. I've done my makeup and separated my bang, unfortunately, but it's time to take that scarf off and let's see what we're working with. Woo! Okay, okay. A little shake, a little pull, a little twist, and a little tease should get you exactly where you want to be. That's it, ladies and gentlemen. I'm gonna spray a little bit more leave-in conditioner to loosen up the front part of the bang, and then tuck that hair in and call it a night. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you try this out. Tag us on Instagram at Spirit Loves Locks. I love seeing your faces, your hairstyles. Bye. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and most importantly, stay tuned for more.